Hello. I know it's been a while since, you've seen my face. First of all, I want to apologize, but hello everybody. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Adwoa, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It feels so good to be vlogging again. I did kind of start this vlog a little late in the day, but let me just spill all the tea on what's been happening over the past 2 years. So sit back, grab some popcorn or your tea or whatever you're drinking. I'm drinking water, but your girl graduated. I will share some pictures on the screen of my ceremony, which was last year, last June. And then, since graduating, I kind of worked a few jobs. I worked in retail for about 7 months, and now I'm working like a traditional big girl job. So I work a 9 to 5 for a startup company. Basically, I just wanted to come back to YouTube. I've been really wanting to come back for months, but one reason why I haven't been able to vlog is that I lent this camera to my sister, and I gave them my charger. So when I got my camera back, I realized that my batteries were dead and I couldn't charge them because my sister had my camera. But now that I have my charger back, I can vlog. So that's pretty much the gist of where I've been. I really want to get back into creating. I've kind of been focusing my energy on Instagram, a little bit on TikTok, but I miss YouTube so much. I recently rediscovered Carter Sullivan's work vlogs, or just her videos in general, and it kind of brought that spark back. So it is kind of the middle of my work day. So I just wanted to, take you along with me. I do need to clear off my desk. I don't always work from home, but it's one of those days. It's one of my days where I just work from home. So I am currently trying to sort some videos out so that we can post. Essentially in my role, I'm a team lead of my team, so I just kind of make sure everything's running smoothly, and if anything needs escalation or needs some higher up opinion or just looking over, I'm their girl. So I'm a weirdo and I don't like using my desk all the time, so I'm using my drawer. But let's quickly clear off my desk and get to working. I wanted to share this with y'all. Sometimes I can't really drink hella water on its own, so I get these Crystal Light things, and it gives your water a little bit of flavor. My ice is all clumped together, and I don't know where my straw for this went, so I'm just using a regular metal straw, but I love the color of this. It's so aesthetic. So good. It's like I'm drinking juice, but I'm actually drinking water. #health. Also, I need to get better at looking at the viewfinder and not myself in, or I need to get better at looking at the lens and not the viewfinder. So I guess while I still have a couple minutes for my break, JK, break's over. So I guess I'll be talking about my goals. after work. Hey besties, so I am done work for the day. So now we can do my goals. So first of all, I will show you, or I'll share with you the goals that I had for April or May. Okay, so I kind of split them up into 3 categories. So I have like health and fitness, personal and lifestyle, social media. So for my health and fitness goals, I wanted to work out 4 times a week. That did not happen. So I'm gonna put a big ol' X. Get 8K steps. I don't think this happened either. Let's see. Let's get it by. Where's steps? No. Nope. Did not. Dang, I did not achieve any of my goals. My health and fitness goals. So I wanted to drink at least 1 water bottle of water daily, which didn't happen. 1 day of mobility, which also didn't really happen. And then go to bed by 10:30. I actually got better at that this past week, so I'm gonna give myself a half check mark. So for my personal / lifestyle subheading is read 1 book minimum. I'm not done the book that I'm reading, so half check mark on that. Listen to more podcasts. Definitely has. So we have so far 1 goal completely checked off. Make bed daily. No, because this kind of ties into my the second goal here, which is wake up by 6:30. It's not been happening. Your girl's been like hella tired the last few weeks, so I literally have to like rush out the door. It was not a good month, holy. So social media, I wanted to post on Instagram 3 times a week. I was able to post on stories almost daily, so that's my second social media goal. I've been getting more collabs, so I wanted to sign 2. I actually signed 1, but okay, I'm gonna have to make this quick because apparently even though I have my chargers, I haven't charged my batteries. But I wanted to hit 1,200 followers on Instagram and then 116 on TikTok. Didn't hit the TikTok one, but I did hit the 1,200. And then a goal for this year was actually to get onto YouTube. So I'm gonna add that for May, or I guess for June. But yes, so I'm gonna quickly come up with my goals for this month, and then I guess when my battery is done charging, I will share those with you. Hello friends, so today is Thursday. I just got back from work. So I was trying to record talking through my goals, but my camera battery, both of them were dead. So we're gonna have to do that today, but I got a package. Gymshark was having a sale, up to 60% off their stuff. So I obviously had to cop some shorts because it's getting hot out here, and leggings, it's too much fabric. So I'm gonna show y'all and do a little bit of a try on. Also, I wore a dress today because I wanted to feel pretty. I did my makeup and everything. I did place a second order, but you didn't hear that from me. First package. These are the Whitney Simmons collab, the newest one. Cycling shorts. Got them in black. I actually bought these secondhand from my friend in like a green color. I got everything in a medium because, you know, your girl got big legs, which I love. I love my big legs. And then these are Oh, I didn't know it would be this color. Like the camo or animal seamless, and like the blue cycling shorts. Got a little butt scrunch, you know, for the booty gains, or like showing off the booty. I got the same shorts in black because, well, these are the same. In black, also in a medium. These, I figured out that all the gym girlies, they like hike up their shorts to make these like more bootylicious. I'm not sure if I could do that. We'll see in the try on portion. And then last one is, this is like the butterfly seamless. Cycling shorts, also in a medium. So let's try these on. I will show you what the shorts look like. Okay, bruh. These are nice. Oh, that was my hair tie. I was like, oh, I think I broke the shorts. These are the shorts. I think they're really flattering. Like they like kind of, they're not too, oh, you can't even see, they're not too compressive in the waist, which is nice. Seamless, which is nice. And then they have like a contour detailing in the back. Okay, let's like hike these up like the gym girlies do and see. So they literally, this seems like so much extra fabric. Like, how is this? Like this? Is that how you'll do it? This does not look flattering at all. Nah, I think I'm gonna stick to my usual cycle short length. They do kind of ride up, but overall, I give these like 8.5, 9 out of 10. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay. I love these. Super flattering. So yeah, these are them. You can see how long they are on me. All I gotta say, y'all, is that the booty scrunch is doing its thing. Next! So, next pair. It's basically the same thing as the last pair, but in black. So, this is what they look like. Booty scrunch is giving what it's supposed to give. Length. It does have a little bit of a compressive waistband. As you can see, it's kind of like squishing me in here, which honestly don't mind. I'm honestly surprised, and I'm kind of glad that they're not like suffocating my thighs. And it's probably because I got the right size this time around. Last time I got shorts from Gymshark, I got a small. I don't know what I was thinking. My thighs hate me when I put those on, but these are great. I can definitely see myself wearing these when I go to cycle bar, because you get like super hot and sweaty in those classes because they get you working hard. So yeah. Last but not least, the butterfly seamless. These feel different. I like how these are stretchy. It's very much appreciated. Last pair. As you can see, my personality did kind of change in the last 2 years. But yeah, last pair. Butterfly Seamless. Absolutely love. Not really squishing my thighs. I don't really feel them squishing my thighs at all. Also has a booty scrunch, compressive-ish waistband, but very stretchy. Kind of the same thing. If you have a little bit of extra like body fat and you wear a sports bra, you can kind of notice it, but it really doesn't bother me. But these are the shorts. I'm so happy I got these. Honestly, I think I'm gonna wear the blue pair tonight when I go to the gym. I just need to find my original headphones that I wear to the gym because they're nowhere to be seen. So I'm gonna try and look for those, and then when I'm done looking for them, then we can work on our goals for June. And maybe I can actually watch Star Wars today. I was actually so tired last night. I went to bed at like 9. Okay, so my goals under health and wellness. I have workout 3 to 4 times a week, get 5,000 steps in daily, drink a minimum of 40 ounces of water every day, go to bed by 10:30 p.m. Read 1 book minimum, make my bed daily. So I just realized that I was not recording. Journal at least 2 times a week, get ready every day, and this doesn't necessarily mean like makeup, but like at least, you know, like putting on a decent outfit and not just like walking around in my robe kind of thing. And then 2 self-care days in the month, because I really need them. I haven't had a self-care day in a couple months now. For social media, I want to post on Instagram on my feed at least 3 times a week. Hopefully hit 1,300 followers on Instagram. I just hit 1,200, so I'm aiming high. It doesn't, like, if I hit it, that would be great, but if I don't, it's not going to be the end of the world. Daily talking stories, because I miss talking on my stories, and then post on YouTube at least 1 time a week.